Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend so far, and welcome to this new video on Onyxcoin on XCN. Wanted to do a quick update on this. I'm trying to cover this every other day. We'll talk about the fundamentals. We'll talk about the technicals. I'll try to talk about everything you need to know. All right. So let's get right into it. I mean, right now, honestly, the situation for XCN hasn't become much better. I mean, I covered this on Thursday. And back then, what we said is that, you know, the price is relatively stable. The price is relatively neutral. The price was basically not moving at all. And the volume was also dropping down a lot. And then on Thursday afternoon, we actually had that drop into the main support level right here at 2.6, 2.5. But honestly, since then, we've also not seen much. And now I have to say two things about Onyxcoin and about XCN is that, well, first of all, and this is the thing I've told you the first time that I covered XCN again, and that is that they do have a bit of a shady future. All right, if you take a look at their coin back when they were called Chain, like the price action was absolutely horrible. All right, and you might say, well, it was very bullish. Yes, that's true, but it was mostly manipulated bullish, and a lot of people lost money on that. Had like a 50% move down in the matter of a couple of days. And then it dropped down more than 99% in the subsequent year or so, less than a year even. So overall, a bit of a rocky past. Now I'm willing to forgive. I'm not willing to forget. All right, so that still looms kind of on the background for me for this project. And then on the other hand, I quite like what they're doing. All right, with the updates they're giving on the Onyx on the XCN ledger, etc., and that they're actually launching Onyx points right here. I mean, ultimately that's going to lead to new tokens in circulation, but short term, I'd say that's quite bullish. But in the end, the chart has to tell you a story, all right? And the chart right now is not telling an amazing story. Now, I'm not writing XCN off. I mean, I know in the past this has been a massive short liquidator. So if we see a lot of shorts coming in for XCN, the likelihood of getting some sort of a move back up increases exponentially. But what you can see right now, I mean, this is the open interest basically since yesterday afternoon. And there's not really many shorts coming in right here, right? I mean, you had some shorts coming in right here the 7th of February, but they were also subsequently sold off again yesterday evening. And right now, there's not much going on. All right, it's just the price is just very flat right here on top of 2.5. As long as we're holding 2.5 and 2.4 cents, which is our main support level right now, I think we are consolidating. So therefore, I also think it's most likely short term that we will be able to hold this consolidation range right here. But we need to get some sort of a push soon. All right, and what I basically need to see is at least like 250 or $300 million in volume, whereas right now it's like 150 million. If that happens, we can actually break out. We can get up to 3.5, break above that and get to 4 cents. And like I said, fundamentally and knowing the history of Onyxcoin, I'd say that's a realistic possibility. All right, so I'm not writing that off, but given the situation right now, first of all, short term, it's much more likely that we will stay consolidated here. The volume is not going up. The volume is relatively low compared to the last month. And the open interest is also not doing anything. And the longer we stay in this consolidation range right here, the bigger the chance becomes we'll actually get a bearish breakout. And there's not much liquidity between 2.2 and 1.5 cents. So then all of a sudden, if we do not get that volume increase, if we do not get some sort of bullish momentum soon, we can drop down quite a bit, right? Because dropping down towards that level, dropping down towards 1.5 from current prices is a drop of about 40 to 50%. I'm not saying it will happen, but I am saying that if the price continues to develop like this for the next couple of days, next week, then it will happen. All right, so I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.